Hi everyone, welcome back to InspireUI. In this video, we'll guide you through installing the MStore API plugin on your WordPress website to convert it into native apps. By enabling the REST API, MStore API ensures everything stays in sync instantly between your website and your apps. It is fully compatible with WooCommerce, WordPress, and various listing websites. Let's build your mobile app together. To start, open your WordPress dashboard. Go to Plugins, then click Add Plugin. You can also search and install the MStore API. Once installed, please remember to activate it. Next, you can easily generate your token key right within the MStore API settings. Just click Generate Token, then copy it. That's it! Thank you for watching. If you found this guide helpful, please subscribe and press the bell icon for more updates.